Daran! Dandaran! Bamboo! Buba! Buba! Bubo! Buba! Thank you! Pulita di kamu. Afto tine. What flavor afto?
To ide oposto di kamu.
Titan di kaso.
Opos palya, pri.
Dariana tine.
Frau Layariana.
Frau Layariana. Oh, I love Frau too. Que Alex? Coffee.
Coffee, no. You think coffee as it is.
Oh, shit.
Tea.
Zero. Buba. Yan, may buba kami, guys. May buba kami, may bubu kami.
Mine is not stabbing. Giancarlo Octavio.
Nah.
Yeti.
Ya ka na kesa emana.
You need to also hold this. Ala.
Oh my God.
That's the fun part too. And the
See,
best part.
may buba kami. Ayan. Yung akin hindi halata kasi, yun, nando dyan pala. Ayan.
It's so mushy.
May. Boba kami, may boba kami. Ayan, ginawa ni Alex.
You can call it milk.
Can I have mine back?
Milk tea. And this is for Ariana, strawberry flavor. Sa amin ni Alex is Ariane, part to. Oh, that is yours. Miss me to Alex ine.
Brown sugar milk tea. Wait, I should have mixed it. I forgot to mix it.
Here's my daughter's vegetable Barbie bean. First, I add chicken feet and beet juice. Watch her crunch on these at the end of the video.
See?
Trust ka.
Next, I'm giving her chicken hearts. One of
Kaka daw sa.
plus beef kidney, super strong, healthy. Cranberry goat's milk because it's vegan, dairy-free. Canned salmon for omega-3s to make her skin glow like pearls. And my homemade antioxidant bites. Learn the recipe.
Bigyan na pa. Dosa mo na to dito, Alex. To video to alo. After pupyaknis.
3 years old. This
To dry ako ma.
to learn how to be the best.
May to buba. Yan na to dito. Papakita ko guys yung ginawa ni Alex. Siyang gumagawa kasi to. Mahilig siyang nagluluto na. 13 years old na siya eh. So eto papakita ko. Ito ang ginawa. Ito yung binibili niya. How much this, Alex?
480. It went more down. 20 cents more.
Tarioca guys.
Titarioca, tapioca. It's
Ah?
not Greek.
Tapioca.
It's English here. This is Chinese,
okay.
I think. And this is English too.
Tapioca lagi, guys. Ayan no, tapioca. Tapos kaya black yung yung kinakain ko. Ba't ano bang nangyari yung akin? Ano ba 'yan? Akala ko ba. Kaya eto ganyan siya oh. Tapos
Ariana!
pag
Ariana,
naluto na siya ay black na siya. How many minutes this, Alex? To boil
To
it?
cook, you have to wait for boiling. Then, you put in 1 cup for 3 to 5 minutes.
So,
And then, leave it to simmer for 2 to 5 minutes. And, adjust time to soften tapioca to personal.
kaya yan, may tapioca kami. Milk tea. Yan ang inaano ni Alex. Iniinom namin. Siya na ang gumagawa. Bumibili na lang siya noon. Ay ngayon ng ganoon. Ganyan siya. Tapioca. Masarap siya, guys.
I would rather die. I
Hindi siya sago ito, magkaiba.
What'd you say? Okay, I hate
On
to
bed na
ask,
kami kasi.
what is the D word? Well, I don't know if you're gonna get in trouble because I don't know what the D word is.
Ayan. So, bumili na rin kayo ng tapioca. And then, gumawa na lang kayo. Makakasave kayo ng milk tea. Ayan. Kasi sa amin, dati, bumibili kami sa...
Mommy.
What?
Okay, I hate to ask, but what is the
Wait.
D word?
Oh my God.
Well, I don't know if you're gonna get in trouble because I don't know what
Wait, después na 17 ito yung transparent aquí, kita.
Yeah, I know.
say it so I know what you're talking about.
I saw them.
That's
This
that's
is the-
little expensive because it's not from here.
Yeah, I know.
And when you're
not
making
a
at home, it's very hard. That's why.
Nah. Oh. It's not good.
The smell.
The smell.
For me, it is good because I'm
No,
used to
I
it.
don't like. But it's
It's
good
nice
for
nice for me.
cook.
Yeah.
Sarap. Mm. Ayan, sarap. Ayan. Diba? Ayan, guys.
Why not finish the balls?
Hmm?
Why not finish the balls? It's soga but more bigger and more tastier for me.
Sarap. Try you guys. Bye-bye!
Macchiato to Tetio.
Ella, presto ne. Subscribe
Bye.
to
Subscribe.
Fatima
Love Travel.
Love Travel. Yan, guys. I love you all.